Good afternoon, my dear students. Today we will read reflection and symmetry. Reflection and symmetry both are related to each other, or we can say both are linked to each other. In this we will read how to find image of a point after reflection, and also how to find reflection of the shape from the line of symmetry or mirror line. So let us read first to find the image of a point after reflection. To find image of a point after reflection. So we can find the image of a point after reflection when we have a line of symmetry, that is vertical line of symmetry, and a horizontal line of symmetry. So look at here. Suppose I have point A here. Point A here. I have to find the image of this point if the line of symmetry is vertical. Means this line, this point on this side, where it will be, that is the reflection of the point around this line will be where. So for this we have the working rules. First of all, we will draw a perpendicular line M on the line L through the point P. Means this is line, suppose it is a line, we are saying L. Now we draw from this a perpendicular line, say it M. Say it M. You are taking a line, this one first, then we are drawing from this point a line on the which cut on this line L perpendicularly. This symbol is shown perpendicular. This line is perpendicular to this line, or this line is perpendicular to this line, and the angle will be here 90 degree. So we say that perpendicular line. Now we will measure this distance, and the same distance we will cut here. So here is the point. So we can say point A has its reflection here, and we write it A dash. A dash. We are saying A dash means the reflection of point A to line M is A dash, and we will get this distance. Suppose it is point of intersection O. So we can say this is equal to this. Means the distance from here to here is equal to distance from here to here. Okay. So this is the topic, that to find the image of a point after reflection. In this case I have taken a vertical line. Now I am going to take a horizontal line to write the image after reflection. See here. In this case, suppose I am taking point A here, and one line here I have to take. This is the line. Suppose it is line M, N. It is line M. Now I will draw from point A a line this side. Okay. Suppose it will be O, or you can suppose it is P. Here I am telling line, so we can here write also, and this is the point A, B. We have taken A already, so it is B here. Now we have to get the reflection of point B on this side. So we will measure this length and we will cut the same length here. Suppose here it is coming, so it is B dash. Now reflection of point B is B dash. So this reflection has come when we are having a line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry, and here vertical line of symmetry. We are taking vertical line, and here we are taking horizontal line. Horizontal line. Okay. Now, what rule here? The first one is draw a perpendicular line M on the line L through point P. So here it is a different point. I have taken a point. So draw a perpendicular line M on line L through point A, and A dash will be the reflection of point P. In this, draw perpendicular line P through line N from point B. So B dash is the reflection of point B. Okay, now I am going to tell you how to find the reflection of a shape from a line of symmetry or mirror line. Look at here. To find a reflection of a shape. Next topic is to find a reflection of a shape. From the line of symmetry. From the line of symmetry. Or you can say also mirror line. Mirror line. Suppose we have a triangle here, A, B and C. A, B and C. We are having this one mirror line or line of symmetry. It is, we can make dotted line also. And this one we can say line of symmetry. Line of symmetry or mirror line. Okay. Now, similarly, as we discussed in previous topic, that we have to get an image of a point of reflection. So this point A, we will draw a perpendicular line here. Okay. Now we will cut the length this much on this point, this line. Okay. So it will be A dash. Okay. Now we will again draw the perpendicular line here. Now this length we will cut here. It will be B dash, and from here also we draw a perpendicular line, and we will cut this much distance. We will say C dash. A dash, B dash is now we will join these points together. So the reflection of this shape, that is triangle, is this one. By this way you can draw or you can get the reflection of any of the shape. One more example I am taking for another one. You see, suppose this is the point of line of symmetry. We are having letter A. So we simply take this point B, C and D. Point we are taking, we will take the same distance from here, A, from here, B, and for this we will take distance C. So we write B dash, B, D dash, here we write C dash, here we write T dash, and then we draw like this. Now for this we will get here, and for this we will get here. So this is the point of reflection of A. This point now I am going to remove. So this is the point of reflection of letter A. If we have to get points of reflection of letter B, then see. We draw B. So we will find this point and the same distance we will take this side. And for this we take this side. Now for this we take here. So we will draw this is the reflection of this letter. It is quite bigger, but it will come like this. So the reflection of letter B is this one. Similarly, you can get the reflection of any of the shape. Remember the rule, it is given here also in your book. You can learn the rules and you can draw. So now I hope that you understood how to find the image of a point after reflection and also to find the reflection of a shape from the line of symmetry or mirror line. Your homework will be exercise 10.2. That is your homework. So you will do this exercise. Thank you.